Welcome to the ultimate guide for Tesla car owners. In this video, we'll explore 5 essential tips for maintaining the aesthetic appeal and longevity of your Tesla through efficient car washing techniques. Regular car washes are vital for preserving your Tesla's appearance and extending the life of your vehicle. A well-maintained exterior reflects a sense of pride and showcases your commitment to excellence. The first tip focuses on choosing the right cleaning agents. From pH-balanced shampoos to non-acidic wheel cleaners, selecting the appropriate products is crucial for optimal results without compromising your Tesla's finish. Proper washing techniques are essential to prevent swirl marks and maintain the sleek appearance of your Tesla. Pre-rinse, soak, and implement the 2-bucket method for a swirl-free wash. Mindful drying is crucial to prevent water spots and streaks. Invest in high-quality microfiber towels and drying blow dryers to gently dry the Tesla's surface without causing scratches. Don't neglect the premium interior of your Tesla. Use appropriate cleaning products to maintain the elegance of Tesla's interior materials, from touchscreen surfaces to vegan leather seats. Preserving your Tesla's finish involves choosing the right wax or sealant. Select a product that enhances the shine and provides a protective barrier against environmental elements. In conclusion, these 5 tips ensure that your Tesla remains a beacon of style and performance. By following these guidelines, you can preserve your investment in innovation and maintain the beauty of your Tesla for years to come.